Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis world. Today I am coming up with most complimented vegetarian recipe called Ennai Kathirikai Kolumbu, which is also known as Nune vankaya pulusu. This recipe is famous in Tamilnadu and tastes super delicious. Friends, try this recipe and you will never forget the amazing taste of this recipe, and even people who hate brinjal will become fans of this curry. So, shall we start making this amazing Kolumbu? Friends, I have recently posted Kolumbu Milagaitul Masala recipe which gives unique flavor to all tangy curries like Kolumbu or pulusu. Please find the recipe link in the description box below or in the suggestion card above. Friends, for these kind of curries, always wash and wipe off the water from brinjals before cutting. Otherwise, oil splatters very badly while frying them. Friends, this brinjal curry needs more oil similar to traditional Andhra brinjal masala curry. But this recipe is made with masala combination of spice and sourness, which provides unique flavor to this curry. So do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with me. Also, if you like our recipes, don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.